Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. You know we love tech here, and few things are more exciting than PC building. Whether you're upgrading your current rig or starting from scratch, the foundation of your build always starts with the case. That's why today, we're diving into the top 10 gaming PC cases you need to check out. We'll be looking at everything from sleek and minimalist designs to bold and flashy options, all with the goal of helping you find the perfect case to house your dream build. First up, we're kicking things off with a classic, the NZXT H510. This case is all about clean lines and a minimalist aesthetic. It's perfect for anyone who wants a build that looks sleek and understated. The H510 might look simple, but don't let that fool you. It's packing some serious features, including a tempered glass side panel to show off your components, excellent cable management options to keep everything tidy, and it even comes in a variety of color options to match your style. Plus, it's super affordable, making it a great option for budget-conscious builders. You really can't go wrong with the NZXT H510. If you're all about that RGB life, the Corsair iCUE 4000X RGB is the case for you. This case is designed to be the centerpiece of your setup with its 3 included RGB fans and stunning tempered glass front panel. And with Corsair's iCUE software, you can customize the lighting to your heart's content, syncing it with your other Corsair peripherals for the ultimate RGB experience. Beyond the looks, the 4000X RGB is also a very capable case with great airflow and plenty of room for high-end components. It supports up to a 360mm radiator, so you know you can keep even the most powerful systems cool. If you want your build to shine, literally, the Corsair iCUE 4000X RGB is the way to go. Looking for a case that can handle some serious heat? The Cooler MasterCase H500 has got you covered. This case is designed for maximum airflow with its massive front mesh panel and 2 huge 200mm RGB fans. It's the perfect choice for high-performance builds that are pushing the limits. But it's not just about cooling. The H500 also has a ton of other great features. It's got a removable PSU shroud, plenty of room for cable management, and even supports vertical GPU mounting for an extra touch of style. The Lian PCO11 Dynamic is a builder's dream. This case is all about showcasing your components with its dual-chamber design and stunning tempered glass panels on the front, side, and even the top. It's a work of art, even before you put any hardware in it. But the PCO11 Dynamic is more than just a pretty face. It's incredibly versatile, supporting a wide range of build types and water cooling configurations. You can really let your creativity run wild with this case. Don't let the compact size fool you. The Fractal design Meshify C is a beast of a case. This case is designed for builders who want high performance in a smaller footprint. It's perfect for smaller setups or anyone who values space efficiency. Despite its size, the Meshify C can still accommodate powerful components, including full-size GPUs and up to a 360mm radiator. Plus, it's got that signature Fractal design minimalist aesthetic that we all know and love. The Phanteks Eclipse P400A proves you don't have to break the bank for great airflow. This case offers incredible value for money with its mesh front panel, included fans, and surprisingly spacious interior. It's a great option for budget builders who don't want to compromise on performance. The P400A also comes with a tempered glass side panel, so you can show off your build, and it even has addressable RGB lighting for a touch of personalization. For those who value silence above all else, the Be Quiet Darkbase Pro 900 is the ultimate choice. This case is engineered for maximum noise reduction with its sound-dampening materials, noise-reducing vents, and even decoupled motherboard trays. It's perfect for anyone who wants a whisper-quiet PC experience. The Darkbase Pro 900 also happens to be one of the most versatile and feature-rich cases on the market. It supports multiple system configurations, has a built-in fan controller, and even includes a wireless charging pad. If you really want to show off your hardware, the Thermaltake Core P3 is the case for you. This open-air case mounts your components on a wall-mountable panel, giving you an unobstructed view of your build from all angles. It's perfect for anyone who wants to make a statement with their PC. The Core P3 is also incredibly flexible, supporting both vertical and horizontal orientations, and it can accommodate even the most elaborate custom water cooling setups. The ASUS ROG Strix Helios embodies premium gaming aesthetics with its sleek aluminum construction with smoke-tempered glass panels and integrated Aura-Sync RGB lighting. It's a case designed to turn heads and make a statement, but the Helios is more than just a pretty face. It's packed with features for gamers, including a built-in GPU holder, a multifunction cover for cable management, and even a carrying handle for easy transportation. Last but not least, we have the Antec DF700 Flux. This case is another great option for budget-conscious builders who prioritize airflow. It features a mesh front panel, multiple fan mounting options, and a surprisingly spacious interior for its price point. The DF700 Flux also comes with 4 pre-installed fans, including 3 addressable RGB fans, making it an incredible value for money. So there you have it, our top 10 picks for the best gaming PC cases you need to see. From minimalist designs to RGB-lit behemoths, there's a case out there for every builder and every budget. Hopefully, this video has given you some ideas for your next build. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech content. Let us know in the comments which PC case is your favorite.